Hi, my dear students. I came up with the Neet 2021 solutions for chemistry part, and the test booklet code what I'm taking is M5. So in the text booklet code, chemistry questions are starting from 51 to 100. So total 50 questions are there. No? So question number 51 to 100. So that chemistry solutions along with the answer key we'll discuss today. So let us start that. So the first question, that is question number 51. Right option for the number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids in a hexagonal primitive unit cell are. Hexagonal primitive unit cell. We know the number of atoms present in hexagonal unit cell will be 6. So the same number of octahedral voids, that means 6 octahedral voids, and the double number of tetrahedral voids will be there. So that will be 12. So 12 and 6 will be our answer, and that is there in option 4. So our answer is option 4, and uh, this is how you can explain the answer, right? So that is the question number 51. So option 4. And next question number 52, zirconium and hafnium have similar atomic and ionic radii because of lanthanide contraction will be the reason. So among the D block elements, especially second series and third series of D block, that means 4D and 5D. If you see that 4D and 5D series will be having almost the same size because of lanthanide contraction only, right? So the answer is option 3. So question number 52, option 3, right answer. Next question number 53. For a reaction A gives rise to B, enthalpy of reaction is minus 4.2 kilojoules per mole and enthalpy of activation is 9.6 kilojoules per mole. The correct potential energy profile for the reaction is shown in the option. And he said enthalpy of reaction minus 4.2 kilojoules per mole. That means it is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means we should have enthalpy of products are lower than enthalpy of reactants. So that was there in option 2. So our answer will be option 2. So that is question number 53. Answer is 2. Next question number 54. Tritium, a radioactive isotope of hydrogen, emit which of the following particles? Tritium is a radioactive isotope of hydrogen, so which emits beta particles when it is disintegrating, right? So it will disintegrate in this way. So option 1 will be the correct answer for question number 54. Next question number 55. The RBC deficiency is deficiency disease of vitamin B12. So when you have less vitamin B12, that causes the RBC deficiency, and which we call it as pernicious anemia. So that is question number 55. Answer is 1. Next question number 56. The molar conductance of sodium chloride, HCl, and sodium acetate at infinite dilution are given. And he's given the values also. Now he's asking for molar conductance of acetic acid at infinite dilution is. Choose the right option for your answer. So this question you can do using Kohlrausch law. Kohlrausch law. So according to Kohlrausch law, for acetic acid, the molar conductance at infinite dilution will be given by molar conductance of sodium acetate plus molar conductance of HCl minus molar conductance of NaCl. So if you do this, we'll get the answer, and the correct answer will be option 2, 390.71, and the solution you can do like this. So molar conductance of acetic acid will be given by molar conductance of sodium acetate plus HCl molar conductance minus NaCl molar conductance. So that we have done 390.71 we got. So option 2 will be the right answer for question number 56. So next question, question number 57. The correct structure of 2,6-dimethyl decfluorine. So that is correctly given in option 1. So the numbering you can give in this way. So option 1 will be the right answer for question number 57. And next, question number 58, the maximum temperature that can be achieved in blast furnace. So generally blast furnace means you can get the temperatures little above 2000 degrees Celsius, 2000 degrees Kelvin, sorry, right? So that was given in option 2. So option 2 will be the correct answer. So question number 58, option 2. Next, question number 59 will see. Identify the compound that will react with the Hinsberg reagent to give a solid which dissolves in alkali. So that should be a primary amine. So because primary amine will give you a salt, it will dissolve with the Hinsberg reagent, it reacts, and it will give you a salt with sodium hydroxide or alkali. So that option is there in option 3, that is the primary amine. So that will be a correct answer. So option 3 is the correct answer. And how option 3 means, this is how it will be there. Hinsberg reagent C6H5SO2Cl, that is it. So first it will react with primary amine and it will give you that salt, that compound, and then NaOH, in NaOH it can dissolve because there is still one more hydrogen, acidic hydrogen is there, so it can easily react with NaOH and it will dissolve in it, right? So option 3 for question number 59. Next, question number 60. The following solutions were prepared by dissolving 10 grams of glucose in 250 ml of water, 10 grams urea in 250 ml of water, and 10 grams of sucrose in 250 ml of water. The right option for the decreasing order of osmotic pressure of these solutions is. So osmotic pressure depends on the concentration. That concentration, again, it depends on the number of moles dissolved. And number of moles is inversely proportional to molar mass because the weight is same only in all the cases, 10 grams each. So it depends on the molar mass. Less molar mass, more number of moles, more concentration. More concentration gives you more osmotic pressure. So that means urea is having the least molar mass, and that will give you higher osmotic pressure. So option 1 will be our answer. Okay, the explanation you can give like this. Osmotic pressure proportional to concentration, and concentration proportional to weight by molar weight into volume. And then, so according to that, you can say osmotic pressure inversely proportional to molar mass because volume is same and weight is same. So less molar mass, more osmotic pressure. So based on that, we are given that option 1. Right. So question number 60, option 1 will be the right answer. Next, question number 61. The major product of the following chemical reaction is, in the presence of peroxycarboxylic acid, that is peroxybenzoic acid given, and there we are adding HBr. So that will be anti-Markovnikov addition. So anti-Markovnikov addition means bromine will attach with less substituted carbon. So the correct answer will be option 1. Because we are doing in the presence of peroxide. So peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov addition, you can say it. So option 1 will be the correct answer for question number 61. Next, question number 62. Given below are two statements. First statement, aspirin and paracetamol belong to the class of narcotic analgesics, and morphine and heroin are non-narcotic analgesics. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct, that is first option. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false, that is second option. And statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false, that is third answer. And fourth answer is statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is true. So according to the given options, you have to choose option 2 because both the statements given are wrong. Aspirin and paracetamol are not narcotic or analgesics. Okay. And morphine and heroin are narcotic analgesics. So he has given both the statements wrong. So option 2 will be the correct answer for question number 62. So next question number 63 we'll see now. The correct sequence of bond enthalpy of CX bond is. Bond enthalpy depends on the bond length. Less bond length, more bond enthalpy. So bond energy is inversely proportional to bond length. So based on that, you can give your answer, and the correct answer will be option 2. Because carbon fluorine bond is smaller than carbon chlorine, and carbon chlorine is smaller than carbon bromine, and carbon bromine is smaller than carbon iodine. So based on that, you give the answer 2. That will be the correct answer. So question number 63 answer will be 2. Next question number 64. Boron trifluoride is planar and electron deficient compound. Hybridization and number of electrons around the central atom respectively are. We all know this boron trifluoride sp2 hybridization, and it has 6 valence electrons after burning. So option 3 will be the right answer. Next question number 65. Which one among the following is the correct option for right relationship between Cp and Cv for 1 mole of an ideal gas? Everybody knows this, right? Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So option 2 will be the right answer. Question number 65, option 2. And question number 66. Among the following alkaline earth metal halides, one which is covalent and soluble in organic solvents is. Calcium chloride is ionic, so it won't dissolve in covalents in organic solvents. Strontium chloride is ionic, and magnesium chloride also ionic. So beryllium chloride is covalent and it can dissolve in organic solvents as well. So option 4 will be our correct answer. So 66, option 4. Next question number 67. An organic compound contains 78% by weight carbon and remaining percentage of hydrogen. So the right option for the empirical formula of this compound is. So empirical formula calculation, we all know it. So just follow that calculation part. So we'll get the answer option 3. So here is the calculation. Carbon percentage 78 given. So divided by 12. So it will be 6.5 we are getting. And hydrogen remaining, that is 22%. So atomic weight 1, 22 by 1. So the smaller number is 6.5. So we'll divide with 6.5 for both. So 1 and 3.38. So 1 is to 3. That is the ratio of carbon and hydrogen there. So that is there in option 3. Correct answer is 3 for question number 67. Right. So next question number 68. The major product formed in dehydrohallucination reaction of 2-bromopentane is pent-2-ene. The product format ion is based on. So it is the major product in dehydrohallucination. That means elimination we are doing. So this elimination pent-2-ene is the major product, he said. So that will be the more substituted alkene, so which is following Said-Jeff rule. So the option 1 is the correct answer. So this is the reaction we have. So that is a more substituted alkene we got, and that is coming according to Said-Jeff rule. Question number 68, option 1 is the right answer. Next question number 69. What is the IUPAC name of the organic compound formed in the following chemical reaction? So acetone with C2H5 MgBr and in triether, and then followed by acidic hydrolysis. So we'll get a tertiary alcohol definitely. So acetone, it is attacked by ethyl carbanion. So based on that, you have to get. So that will be 2-methyl propane 2-ol. That is the 2-methyl butane 2-ol. That will be the answer. So option 4 will be the correct answer, and here is the solution. So C2H5 minus, that is coming from the Grignard reagent, that will attack the carbonyl carbon and gives you this 2-methyl butane 2-ol. That is the tertiary alcohol we got. So option 4 for 69, question number 69. Next question number 70. Noble gases are named because of their inertness towards reactivity. Identify an incorrect statement about them. Noble gases are sparingly soluble in water, so that is a correct statement. And noble gases have high melting and boiling points. That is wrong. Noble gases, they are gases at room conditions. They have very low melting and boiling points. So second statement is the incorrect statement. So next third statement, noble gases have weak dispersion forces. We all know that. And noble gases have large positive values of electron gain enthalpy. That is also correct. So second statement, incorrect statement. So that will be our answer for question number 70. So option 2. Next question number 71. The pKb of dimethylamine and pKa of acetic acid given. So 3.27 and 4.77 respectively at T Kelvin temperature. So the correct option for the pH of dimethyl ammonium acetate. So it is a weak acid plus weak base. So the formula to calculate pH for that will be this. So answer is 7.75, and the formula we have to use is this: 7 plus half into pKa minus pKb. pKa, pKb values already they have given. So just we have to substitute and get the answer. So 7.75 is our answer. So option 3 for question number 71. Next question number 72. The right option for the statement Tyndall effect is exhibited by. That is exhibited by uh, colloidal solutions, and among the given, sodium chloride is a true solution, glucose solution is also a true solution, and urea solution is also a true solution. Starch solution is not a true solution, that is a colloidal solution. So that shows Tyndall effect. So option 3. Question number 72, option 3 correct answer. Next question number 73. Statement 1 and 2 they have given. So statement 1, acid strength increases in the order given as. So that is a correct statement. And as the size of the elements F, Cl, Bri increases down the group, the bond strength of HF, HCl, HBr and HI decreases, and so the acidic strength increases. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So we know both the statements are correct, and the second statement is a correct explanation for the one. Okay, so option 1 will be the correct answer. So option 1 is our answer now. So question number 73, option 1. Next question number 74, ethylene diamine tetraacetate EDTA ion is hexadentate ligand with 4 oxygen and 2 nitrogen donor atoms. That is absolutely correct. Unidentate ligand is wrong. Bidentate ligand is wrong. Tridentate ligand is wrong. So option 1 will be correct, will be our answer, and the EDTA structure you can draw in this way. So that is question number 74, option 1 correct answer. Next question number 75 we'll see now. So choose the correct option for graphical representation of Boyle's law, which shows a graph of pressure versus volume of a gas at different temperatures. So graphs already mentioned, and we know that pressure is directly proportional to temperature, and even volume also directly proportional to temperature. So as the temperature increases, pressure increases, or volume also increases. So that is how we have to choose the correct answer. Okay, based on that fact. So the correct answer is option 4. Why? Because if I keep one of them constant like this, here suppose if I keep a pressure constant in this manner, then this is V1, this is V2, this is V3. So V1 less than V2 less than V3. So based on that, you can say T1 less than T2 less than T3. So that should be the correct answer. Okay, so option 4, that's why. So that explanation you can give in that way. So when you are keeping one of the pressure or volume constant, it directly proportional to temperature. As the temperature increases, both pressure increases or volume also increases. So based on that fact, you have to choose your answer. So option 4 will be the correct answer for it. So next question. Right, next question here. The next question is the structures of beryllium chloride in solid state and vapor state are. In solid state, beryllium chloride will be like a chain structure, and whereas in vapor state, two molecules will become paired up. That means as a dimer, it will exist. So option one will be the correct answer for it. And this is the explanation you can give. Next question number 77. Which one of the following methods can be used to obtain highly pure metal, which is liquid at room temperature? So a liquid metal at room temperature, that is actually mercury. So mercury purification, that will be done using distillation method. So the correct answer will be option 3. So question number 77, option 3 will be our right answer. And next question number 78, the compound which shows metamerism is. Metamerism, only few functional groups will show. Like among the given formulas, if you see, fourth option can show the metamerism because there it can give you ethers. So two types of ethers it can give you. So the answer is option 4, and these are the two types of ethers: diethyl ether and methyl propyl ether. That is the another one. So both of them are metamers. So question number 78, option 4 will be the right answer. Next question number 79. The correct options for the number of body-centered unit cells in all 14 types of Bravais lattice unit cells is. So out of 14, body-centered is asking. And body-centered is only possible with only 3 unit cells. Okay. 3 out of 14 will be body centered only. And what are those 3 out of 14 means? A cubic unit cell will show the body centered one, that variation will be there. And tetragonal unit cell also contains the body centered variation. And orthorhombic unit cell also contains body centered variation. And remaining all the other lattices doesn't contain a body center. Okay, so only 3. So option 4 will be the right answer for question number 79. So next question number 80. Which one of the following polymers is prepared by addition polymerization? So nylon 6 is condensation, Novolac and Dacron also condensation polymers. Teflon will be the right answer. And what is the Teflon monomer means? CF2 double bond CF2. Tetrafluoroethylene. So polytetrafluoroethylene, that we call it as Teflon, and that is going for additional polymerization only. So option 1 will be the correct answer for question number 80. Next question number 81. A particular station of All India Radio, New Delhi, broadcasts on a frequency of 1368 kilohertz. The wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the transmitter is. Speed of light is given, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So we know frequency is given, a wavelength is asking. So the frequency is equal to c by lambda, and wavelength, if you want, c by frequency you have to do. So if you calculate, option 1 is coming, and here is the calculation there. So 219.3 meters, that will be the wavelength of that particular radiation. So question number 81, option 1 will be the right answer. Next question, question number 82. Which of the following reactions is a metal displacement reaction? Choose the right option. KClO3 giving rise to KCl and 3O2. So there it is metal not replacing. So it is not a metal replacement reaction. Next, chromium oxide plus aluminum. So here aluminum replacing that chromium there. So that is a metal displacement reaction. And remaining all the cases, there is no displacement of metals there. So option 2. So very straightforward question. So option 2 will be our right answer. And next question number 83. The incorrect statement among the following is actinide contraction is greater for element to element than lanthanide contraction. Most of the trivalent lanthanide ions are colorless in the solid state. So the first statement, actinide contraction greater, that is correct only. But the second statement, most of the trivalent lanthanide ions are colorless. Colorless is wrong because most of the trivalent lanthanide cations contains unpaired electrons. So they are colored compounds. Colored compounds they'll show. So lanthanides are good conductors of heat and electricity, correct only because they contain unpaired electrons. And actinides are highly reactive metals, especially when finely divided. That is also right. So the second statement is the incorrect statement. So for question number 83, option 2, right answer. Next question number 84, dihedral angle of least stable conformer of Ethenes. That is obviously 0 degrees Celsius when 0 degrees Celsius is there. So both the atoms, hydrogen atoms, will be near to each other, nearest distance. So when they are at nearest distance, more repulsive forces will come. So that leads to less stability of the compound. So option 4 will be the right answer. So question number 84, option 4. Next question number 85. So this is a matching and list 1, list 2. So PCl5. So PCl5 hybridization sp3d. sp3d means trigonal bipyramidal shape. And SF6 sp3d2, that is octahedral structure. BRF5, that is sp3d, sp3d2. So sp3d2, but only 5 bond pairs and 1 lone pair I'm having. So it will show square pyramidal structure. And BF3, we all know sp2 hybridization, that is a trigonal planar shape. So based on that, we have to choose our answer. So the correct answer is A4, B3, and C1, D2. Okay. So that will be there in option 1. So correct answer is option 1. So question number 85, option 1, right answer. So next question we'll see. Question number 86, sodium propanoate, and that is heated with sodium hydroxide and something else. And we are getting ethane plus sodium carbonate. So this is clearly a decarboxylation reaction. So decarboxylation reaction means we need a soda lime. In soda lime, what is the combination? Sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, that is the combination. So option 3 will be our correct answer. So answer is 3 for question number 86. Next question number 87. The intermediate compound X in the following chemical reaction is. So the intermediate compound chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2 we are adding in CS2, carbon disulfide. So the first one will be our correct answer, okay, because the mechanism you can write in this way. So X compound is option 1. So correct answer is option 1 only. Right, guys? So question number 87, answer 1. Next question, question number 88. Again, matching 2SO2 plus O2 gives rise to 2SO3. So that is coming under tropospheric pollution because sulfur dioxide will be there in troposphere only. And next, HOCl giving rise to H nu and OH free radical and chlorine free radical. So that will be there in ozone depletion. That will happen. That will be seen in ozone depletion. Okay, that reactions we'll discuss there. Chlorine free radicals from CF6 it is coming in, and that chlorine free radical will react with ozone and it causes ozone depletion. So B3. Next, calcium carbonate and sulfuric acid. gives rise to calcium sulfate, and this is a case of acid rain. Okay, where we'll see that Taj Mahal fading, that is turning yellow. Why? Because of acid rains, we said. Because in Taj Mahal, that is made of tiles. Tiles means calcium carbonate. So that is reacting and it is giving that yellowish shade. So that is a case of acid rain. And the remaining option is third, D, that is NO2 giving rise to NO plus O free radicals. So that is there in option 2, smog. It is photochemical smog, right? So D2. Okay. So third option will be our correct answer. Third option, and this is the matching here. And question number 88, option 3. Next question number 89, once again a matching. So the first one, that is a Gatterman-Koch reaction. Okay, so A will be 2, and next second one, so that is a haloform reaction. So that is 3, B3, and third one, RCH2OH and R-COH, and that is esterification reaction, acid catalyzed esterification. So it will be C4, and then D, that is X2 and red phosphorus, and followed by hydration, and that is HVZ, Hell-Wohlhard-Zelensky reaction, right? So that will be there in option 4. So correct answer is 4, right? So this is how you can say this. So question number 89, option 4, and next question number 90, we'll see. Again, a matching. He has given some complexes, and here mu value is given. Okay. Uh, that mu value is depending on number of unpaired electrons. So we have to choose the number of unpaired electrons there. FeCN6 3 minus. So cyanide ion is a strong field ligand. So Fe3 plus, that is a central atom we have. Okay, metal atom we have. So Fe3 plus means definitely there will be at least one unpaired electron, because cyanide is a strong field ligand. So 2 out of 5, two pairs will come and one will remain unpaired. So that will give you 1.73 as the mu value, magnetic moment. Next, FeH2O6 3 plus. So H2O is weak field ligand, so no pairing. All the 5 unpaired electrons will remain as it is. So 5.92 will be the magnetic moment. And next, FeCN6 4 minus. That means iron 2 plus ion we have. Iron 2 plus means it will be 4s 4s0 3d6. Okay, 4s0 3d6 will be coming. And cyanide ion is a strong field ligand, so all of them will get paired up. So all of them getting paired up means 0 unpaired electrons, and there we get 0 magnetic moment. Next, FeH2O6 2 plus, and again Fe2 plus ion only, 6 unpaired electrons are there, 4s0 3d6, and out of the 6, 2 electrons are paired and remaining 4 are unpaired. So 4 unpaired electrons are there. So 4.9 Bohr magnetons will be the magnetic moment. Okay. So based on that, you can give your answers. And that is there in option 4. So A4, B1, C2 and D3. So that is the correct matching. So option 4 for question number 90. So next question, question number 91, we'll see now. The reagent R in the given sequence of chemical reactions is. So first diazotization we are doing. So we got diazonium chloride, and then we are removing that diazonium salt, okay, diazonium group, and we are getting a completely 1,3,5 tribromobenzene. So that should be done using ethyl alcohol. Okay, with ethyl alcohol we'll get that compound. So that is option 2. So correct answer is option 2 for question number 91. And here is the solution. Right, so question number 91 is over. Question number 92 we'll see now. And here is the 92nd question. The product formed in the following chemical reaction is sodium borohydride. That will affect only the keto group. Okay, it cannot reduce ester group anywhere. Okay, so only keto group will get reduced to OH, right? And that correct answer is there in option 4. Okay, in remaining cases, they have it was affecting the ester also. But sodium borohydride can only reduce carbonyl group. It cannot reduce ester anytime. So option 4 will be the correct answer for this question, right? And here you can say this is the correct compound we get. Okay, so that is single bond OH here, not the double bond. So here it is a single bond only. Okay, so remaining ester group remained as it is. So this is there in option 4. So our correct answer is option 4 only. So next question we'll see question number 93. From the following pairs of ions, which one is not an isoelectronic pair? Isoelectronic means having the same number of electrons. Okay, so O2 minus, that is having 10 electrons. F minus is also having 10 electrons. So that is isoelectronic. And next, sodium plus and magnesium 2 plus also having 10 10. So that is isoelectronic. Magnesium 2 plus, magnesium atomic number 25, so 23. And iron 3 plus, that is also iron atomic number 26 minus 3, 23. So 23, 23 isoelectronic. Iron 2 plus means 24 and magnesium 2 plus is 23. So that is not an isoelectronic pair. So option 4 will be our correct answer, right? So question number 93, option 4, and next question number 94. The molar conductivity of 0.007 molar acetic acid is 20 Schumann centimeter square per mole. Next, what is the dissociation constant of acid? Choose the correct option. Molar conductivity is given. Molar conductivity means lambda m is given. And what is the dissociation constant of acetic acid? So first, dissociation constant, if you want, Ka is equal to alpha square C. That is a formula. So first I need to get Ka value I need to get. No? So alpha value first we need to get. For getting that, this is how you can do it. Okay. So that is the molar conductance at infinite dilution. So alpha value, how we get? Alpha is equal to molar conductance of the solution by at a given concentration by molar conductance at infinite dilution. Okay, so that is given already. 20 is the molar conductance at the given concentration, and molar conductance at infinite dilution we are calculating, that is 400. So this will be the alpha value. So just substitute it. And concentration also mentioned already. So Ka is equal to C alpha square. So concentration 7 into 10 power minus 3. And this is the alpha value. So alpha square C, that will be the Ka value. So we got the answer, that is in option 3. So question number 94, the correct answer is option 3. Next question number 95, we'll see. Choose the correct option for the total pressure and a mixture of 4 grams of O2 and 2 grams of H2 confined in a total volume of 1 liter at 0 degrees Celsius is. Okay, so total pressure he's asking, and we have 2 different gases mixture. Okay, and temperature is mentioned, R value we know, and only pressure we have to calculate. Just follow the formula. Pressure of oxygen will calculate number of moles of oxygen and number of moles of hydrogen. So pressure, if you want, total number of moles into RT by volume. So just follow the gas equation, ideal gas equation. If you follow, we'll get the answer. And that is 25.18 atmosphere we are getting. So that is there in option 3. So question number 95 is option 3. Next, question number 96. The correct option for the value of vapor pressure of a solution at 45 degrees Celsius with benzene to octane in molar ratio 3:2 is. And at 45 degrees Celsius, vapor pressure of benzene is 280 mm Hg and that of octane is 420 mm of Hg. So they have given vapor pressure of pure components. Okay. And both the components here, benzene and octane, both are volatile components. So we have a mixture of both the components. So total vapor pressure of the solution is equal to vapor pressure of benzene plus vapor pressure of octane I have to take. So vapor pressure of benzene plus octane. Vapor pressure of benzene, how it will come? Its mole fraction into its vapor pressure of pure component. And next for octane also the same way we can calculate. So P naught of octane into its mole fraction. Already number of moles, molar ratio they mentioned. So with that you can easily identify the mole fraction. So you can use the formula. This is the formula and you can get the answer directly from there. So we are getting 336 millimeters of mercury. So the correct answer is option 3 for question number 96. Right? So question number 97 will go now. Question number 97, for irreversible expansion of an ideal gas under isothermal condition, the correct option is isothermal condition, means at the same temperature. At same temperature, internal energy will remain same. So that means delta U is same. And irreversible expansion. So delta S, the other factor they have given. Delta S is not equal to 0 because there will be an increase in the reaction, increase in entropy in the reaction. Okay, so option 3 will be the correct correct answer. So option 3 for question number 97. So these are the conditions. Because it is an expansion, delta S should be greater than 0. Okay. So question number 97, option 3. Next question number 98. Which of the following molecules is non-polar in nature? POCl3. POCl3 is a polar compound only. CH2O, that means you can write it as formaldehyde, that is polar. NO2 we know that is angular structure and it is polar compound only. SbCl5, so that will give sp3d hybridization and it is having all the 5 bond pairs only. So it is a regular structure, structure we are getting. That means it is trigonal bipyramidal structure. So which is a symmetrical structure and it gives you 0 dipole moment. Okay, so this is the structure of SbCl5. And in POCl3, if you see, that is sp3 hybridization, but different atoms are in bond. So phosphorus oxygen and phosphorus chlorine, 2 different bonds are there. So their mu not equal to 0. And in HCHO, we know that it is having a polarity. And in NO2 also, we know that it is having the polarity. So SbCl5 is not having the polarity. So no dipole moment for it. So 98, option 3 is the correct answer. And next question number 99. In which one of the following arrangements the given sequence is not strictly according to the properties indicated against it? Okay, HF, HCl, HBr and HI increasing acidic strength, and that is a right property and right order they have given, right sequence. Next, H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2TA increasing pKa values, that is wrong. Ka values if they have given, then it is correct. pKa values means that will be decreasing there. So that is wrongly given. So second is a wrong sequence. And next, ammonia, phosphine, ASH3 and SBH3 Increasing SD character is correct only. And CO2, SiO2, SnO2, TbO2, increasing oxidizing power is also correct. So option 2 is the wrong sequence they mentioned. If they mention Ka value, it will be the right one. pKa they mentioned, so it is wrong. So option 2 will be the correct answer for question number 99. Right? So next question we'll see now. Question number 100, and this is the last question. The slope of Arrhenius plot log K versus 1 by T. A first order reaction is minus 5 into 10 power 3 Kelvin. The value of activation energy of the reaction is. Choose the correct option for your answer. Okay. So given R value 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Okay, we know the Arrhenius equation. Just we need to apply the formula to get the answers. Okay. So we know this is the equation. Log K is equal to log A minus EA by RT. That is not EQ, EA by RT. EA is the activation energy. And we know that EA by R is the slope. Okay, because now this particular equation is like y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, here c is log A, that is the intercept, and m value, that is the slope he said, no, that is EA by RT minus EA by R. Okay, so already here minus given, so you can EA by R is equal to, okay, minus EA by R is equal to minus 5 into 10 power 3 Kelvin. So based on that, you can calculate it. So now EA value you can easily calculate from it. So 41.5 kilojoules, that is the answer we are getting. So that is there in option 1, right? So 100th question, that is option 1 is the right answer. So this is the answer key and solutions for this Neet 2021 exam, which was conducted on 12th September, and the paper code what we are taking is M5. Okay, so based on that paper code M5, I discussed all this. Okay, so hope it will be helpful for assessing your marks. Thank you all of you. And one important and simple request is please subscribe the channel so that we can do more videos on science basically. So please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you.